Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos guys and coming back to my channel. And yesterday I slept super late because I was editing the video which was my cousin's wedding video, and that vlog is already up guys. I uploaded today's vlog super early, around 12:30 midnight. And yes guys, I uploaded the video very quickly just for my family and relatives who are back in Nepal, so that they can watch the video and see everything, cause some of my family members, they are in Nepal and they couldn't attend the wedding. So I uploaded the video super early so everybody can watch. So definitely go ahead and watch the video. It was a very beautiful wedding with Nepali instrument, panchi baja and stuff, and the wedding was superb. Once again, happy married life Karuna and Jivan, and always stay happy together. Since it's already 8, I'm gonna go ahead and cook some brekkie for ourselves. So yesterday from the wedding we got some nomis and gifts. So these are the stuffs which I got, and my auntie gave this to me and I was like, oh, thank you so much. So I might eat this for breakfast. I'm also cooking toast and eggs, but yeah, look at these look so yummy. These are called sel roti. They also gave us these jar of sweets and nuts. That's really pretty. Look at the detailing. It says Jivan and Karuna and their wedding date right over here. Really pretty. And they also gave us this little what do you call this? I really don't know, but it's a goodie bag as well. Also got some sweets, and inside this bag there was chocolates and lollipop. Really cute detailings, and I just love it. Here's the breakfast: some tea, toast and omelette. Yummy. So guys, remember one time I got a package and I couldn't show you what's inside because it was a surprise, and this is the surprise. It's a vintage style popcorn maker for my husband. His birthday is coming really soon, so I got this one as a early birthday gift, and yeah, he loved it. It's a popcorn machine and you don't need any oil or anything like that for it. So it looks like this. Very cute. So guys, this is their wedding card. It's so pretty. It's in red and gold color and I just love it. Look at this. Super cool. There's this leaflet in here. Oh, it's upside down. There you go, you can see it now. And the inside looks like this. Super pretty. So that's their wedding card, which I really like. Okay guys, I just did my exercise and took a hot shower, and I also did a face mask, and I'm feeling so refreshed. By the way, I was too lazy today, so I did my exercise late. It's almost 11:30 right now, and I was like, oh, I'm so lazy today, I don't want to do workout, but I pushed myself and I did it. So yes guys, well done me. Okay guys, so I'm ready now. As you guys can see, my look is very simple, and look what I found today. I found the missing liquid lipstick which I was talking about, and this is Candy K, and that's what I'm wearing today. It's kind of nude-ish color and I really like it. You all know that my family, they went to Singapore for vacation for my mother's birthday, and it was a surprise for my mom from my brother and sister, and they just came back from the holiday, and look what they bought me. They bought me a lot of good stuff. I would like to show you what they got for me from Singapore. So first thing first, they got me cup dough, which is my favorite, and I asked for it. It is so delicious. It's kind of like a sweet and salty snack. Since my mom, she went for holiday and she didn't took any money with her, that's why my siblings, they gave her some money, so she bought me this one. It's a souvenir and it is really pretty. Look at that, it's so pretty. It is in gold color and it says Singapore right over here. There's a globe which rotates and there's a lion as well. It is so pretty. I love it. It's a great souvenir. I will keep it in my living room. And my siblings, they also got me some skincare products from Singapore, and this is a aloe gel mask which I used today, and it is really hydrating and makes my skin really smooth. Love it and highly recommend it. And look what my siblings got for me. This is my favorite eyebrow pencil, and it is from Etude House, and the shade is dark brown 01. And last but not the least, they got me a backpack which is in nude color, and it has a flap as well with this big compartment inside. There is a little compartment right over here. You can put your mobile, cash, anything in here, and it looks like this from the back. Really pretty. I just love it. Thank you so much. It's perfect for summer. I just can't wait to wear this. So that's it, guys. That's everything which my family got for me from their Singapore holidays. Thank you so much, Ama, Biko, Pooja. I love you. I'm gonna put this right over here, just next to Krishna Kanaya. Yay, it looks so nice. You couldn't see it though. So guys, अहिले चाहिँ म बसिरहेको, and today we plan to go outside, but we are waiting for a package and it's still not here, and it's so annoying. It's almost 3 o'clock right now and I've been waiting for that parcel for so long. I wish it will come soon so that we can go outside, but I don't think we are going outside today because it's already too late. By the way, I was editing my videos, so I've just finished that, and right now I'm just chilling. And yeah, finally got the package, guys. It's so late at the moment, so we canceled to go outside, but I got a screen protector for my iPhone, and this charging dock for my Apple Watch and my iPhone, and this is the gift for my brother. Let me open it and show you guys what's inside. So this is the Apple Watch dock slash charging stand for my Apple Watch and my iPhone, and this is the protector case for the Apple Watch, and this is the watch slash jewelry case for my brother. This is his birthday gift. I know it's late, but yeah, the gift didn't arrive on time, so I'm so sorry, Biku, but it's finally here. So I'm gonna bring it when I'm coming over there to meet you guys. You can hold 8 watches in here and lots of rings, and there's one more compartment over here, more compartment for the jewelry, and there is also a big mirror, and you can remove this bit and keep more jewelry in here. Hope you will enjoy your gift. यो केस हालेपछि चाहिँ यस्तो देख्दो रहेछ Apple Watch चाहिँ, and I really like it. You can't see the difference, and it protects your Apple Watch. Love it. So guys, on the wedding vlog I didn't add the pictures, but today I'm going to do that for you guys. I will add the picture next, so definitely check them out. The pictures came out really beautiful, so yay. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my vlogs. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't already. See you soon. Bye.